like watching my own videos for fun. Hello everyone, konnichiwa. It's your boy CR here. And I was getting kinda bored. What can I do? Well, let's look out the window. That might be kinda fun. What is there to see out there? Ooh, it's raining outside. Wait, but it's also sunny. That's interesting. I think I know what I'm gonna do today. Well, let's go. I kinda doubt if my mom will let me play outside, so I'm just gonna go out there without asking. Let's go. Well, it's definitely raining out here, but it's also sunny as you can tell by the camera, which is really strange. But let's go ahead and play in the rain. Here I go. Wow, this is so fun. Jumpity jumpity jump. Jumping in a puddle. This is so much fun. Jumping in a puddle. Wow, here's some smaller puddles. Let's jump. Woo! This is so much fun. Playing in the rain, playing in the rain. Do-do-do-do-do, Wow, look at that puddle. Let's go. Woo! My feet are getting so wet now. Jumpity jumpity jump. Woo! You know what? I'm just gonna lay in this puddle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I'm getting so wet. Ah! This is so much fun. CR party of 1. Hee hee. A great sensory experience for the soul. Splash, 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 splash. Woo! Let's get my other hand wet. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splashity, splash. I have an idea. Let's get my hair wet. Wow, look at my lovely hair now. This is so nice. Woo! Standing in this corner reminds me of a shower. It's like an outdoor shower. This is so much fun. Am I technically getting clean by natural water? A fun-filled 20 minutes later. Whew, I'm all nice and wet now. It kind of feels good and refreshing, but I'm also kind of cold, so let's go warm up then. Okay, I am all snuggled in the bed and I got my towel around me. Much better.
Alright, I'm gonna go check on the boys and see what they're up to. Oh! What's up, Chase?
Sup, Mom?
Why do you have a towel on you?
Oh, that? Oh, I was just really cold. I just was super, super cold. And so I put my towel on me.
Well, you look wet. What did you do? Did you take a shower in your clothes or something?
Kinda?
What do you mean, kinda? I think there's a story behind this. Please explain. Alright, Chase, what is the real story? What did you do? And why are you so wet? Did you go outside?
Yeah. I went outside.
You did? Was it raining out there?
Yeah?
Chase, why were you outside without my permission?
I wanted to go play in the rain, and I was bored.
Well, you need to ask me permission. Whatever you did was out of line, and I don't appreciate that.
Am I gonna be in trouble?
Yeah, you're definitely gonna be in trouble. All right, you're gonna be getting a timeout, and I'm gonna be taking this away.
Oh man.
Yep, no iPad for you. And you can still sit in your wet clothes for a little bit and think about what you've done.
Oh. Oh, butternuts. Well, I guess I got busted by going outside. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if you're new, welcome. We make these videos and lots more. And make sure to share our videos, do all those things to help our channel, and always remember to keep your day a rainy day from the rainy party people. I mean the positive party people, the triple P. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Rain, 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 rain! Let it rain. Rain here.